Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about Wetransfer. So, what exactly is Wetransfer? It is an application where people can send big files easily. Why do we use Wetransfer? To send files above 25 MB from Gmail and above 33 MB from Outlook. Now let's closely look at the procedure. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. As you can see, there's a tab open. Procedure. Step 2. Type www.wetransfer.com on the address bar of Google Chrome, as you can see. Step 3. Fill in the details in Wetransfer. In this box, you need to type your email address who you're going to send to, your email ID, your message and your attachments in the first. And then click transfer. Once you click transfer, it will automatically come. There'll be a notification, verification code in a sent mail. As you can see, I am giving an example. And then that code you're going to type in Wetransfer, as you can see. And then click verify. After clicking verify, wait until your file is completely transferred and you're done. Like look at this, 100%, and then you're done. So I hope if you like this video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.